Hi friends, this is Ashish Tiwari again. Welcome back. As mentioned in my previous video, I am going to explain the importance of health insurance in a person's life. So these days people tend to enjoy their luxuries. They go on to shopping malls and all, frequent dining in the restaurants and outside food, junk food as well, which not only impacts on their health and pocket, but apart from these they also tend to ignore few important things in life. So one such important thing I would say is a health insurance policy. As time is progressing, the hospitalization costs are also getting increased day by day. So I would say nowadays, even if a person gets ill and gets admitted to hospital without insurance, he needs to pay from his pocket. So instead of that, he focuses on paying a health insurance policy premium, he would have enough coverage for the hospitalization expenses. The main reasons, there might be many reasons for a person to ignore taking a health insurance policy. Few of them would be like just kind of laziness. They are not aware of it and its importance, and also they knowingly postpone it. And also the main primary reason would be the busy work schedule. Nowadays people's life is getting machinery. Work home, work home, work home, only thing is happening in the life. So if there is no health insurance policy, the person or his family member when gets ill, he needs to pay from his pocket. Same thing applies for women as well. I'm just picking up the word him. To be honest, birth and death are not in a person's hand, but taking care of his health is definitely in the person's hand. I would say, instead of spending on unnecessary items like frequent shopping, frequent dining, if he can save some amount for the health insurance premium, the person along with his entire family, spouse and children, can get enough coverage. He can choose multiple available policies in the market that can be limited to individual and also family floater kind of thing. To be precise, no person in the world is avoiding watching movies, frequent dining, going to malls, frequent shopping and all. But why is he compromising on taking a health insurance policy? So I would definitely suggest you people to take a health insurance policy for sure. I would pray to God that everybody in the world needs to be healthy enough and live a sustaining life. But in just worst case scenario, if a person gets ill, how the situation would be handled? So if the person doesn't have an insurance policy, to be precise, the health insurance policy, the person or a family member gets ill, then what the person would do is he tries to spend the savings what he saved from the few past years, that might be related to future education of child or daughter's marriage or any kind of savings. uh, if the illness is a big one, the entire savings can get exhausted. And even if after the exhausting of savings, if it doesn't cover the treatment, he or she would go for a hand loan from a known contact, and this hand loan comes with a hefty interest percentage. Or else, if even he goes for a bank loan, that also involves a interest percentage. So he needs to pay interest from his pocket along with the principal amount. So just motivate yourself to take a health insurance policy for self and family. No one in the world would give you money for free without any charging interest amount. Just take an example of purchasing a mobile phone or a bike or a car. These are just with a lifespan of 15 years. The government gives a lifespan of 15 years for bike and car. Even for that, you pay insurance premium. That might be for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, depending on the person's choice. But even for mobile phone, you take care of much. You apply a screen guard, have a back cover, panel, and all. you take enough care of a mobile phone which is just around 5,000 to 20,000 or 50,000. Even if you go for iPhone, it's around 1 lakh, but not more than 1.5 lakh. So yeah, if you are taking such concern for mobile phone and bike or car, why don't you care about your health? Do you think the health is not important as you think of mobile and car? And the other example I would pick up is the private job people. They tend to be with a mindset of a different thing. Like their employer is providing enough medical insurance coverage for self and family. But I would say that's well enough. Good that the corporate company is providing you the coverage for you and your family along with children. And few companies also provide for parents and parents-in-laws as well. But I would say that would not be enough for you to sustain in life. Few reasons would be like this coverage which company is offering, it's only limited to the tenure you have with them. Once you leave the company, this coverage will get voided. That means that you will not have any health insurance coverage. So just think of a worst case scenario, you are working until your retirement age with the same company and you get the enough coverage. The retirement age certainly is 58 years of age. Until 58 you will get medical coverage from the company. That's fine. You and your family. What after your retirement? What if you take an early retirement, less than 58 years of age? Then you will not have any coverage from the company's side. In such case, if you go for a private health insurance policy at that point of time, you may or may not get the policy because of the health age concern. You might have to undergo the medical test as well, because that's a requirement as per the insurance policy. And the other thing is, if you are changing jobs in between, for example, today the last working day, then the coverage will end at around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening. And if you are joining a new job next day morning around 10 o'clock, you will certainly have around 16 to 17 hours of time wherein you will have no medical health insurance coverage. So what if you meet with an accident or some uncertainty happens during these particular hours? Then you will have no coverage from the old employer as well as the new employer. You will have to pay from your pocket. So just to avoid this kind of scenarios, it's better to invest in a private policy. So I would say it's better to have a health insurance policy beforehand, not like you get ill and then think of a health insurance policy. It's better to invest early and then not borrow money from someone else when certain time comes for the treatment of illness. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like the video if you have liked the context, and also do subscribe the video by clicking on the subscribe button. Keep watching for more videos in future. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your body health, and also do post your comments in the comments box. Thank you. Have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.